like maybe here. But then I have the wiper to deal with. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. It is another Monday, and today I am really not doing too much. I am actually just going to be putting some decals on the car, and we're going to do a few unboxing on some parts that I shouldn't say are coming for it. They will be going on, they are already here. So I'm going to be doing that today, and this is cool. I got some Star versus the Forces of Evil decals that I'm going to be putting onto the Z, of course, and also a Ragnarok's garage sticker. And I actually have some other decals that I have that I'm not going to talk about quite yet. That will be later in the unboxing. But first, I need to get this car cleaned up back here because you see it's like, yeah. So it should sit like right about, oh gosh, come on. Right about there. Oh shit. Nope, nope. Okay. There we are. Alright, now we just got to work the air bubbles out. This is my box from CX Racing. We're going to be opening that in just a second. But first, I have this envelope of goodies that I have ordered from Jesse Moore at Moore Designs. I highly recommend him if you are in the Seattle area and you are looking to get some custom decals made. Either look him up on Facebook, it's pretty easy to find, look for Moore Designs, or drop me a message and I will get you in contact with him if you want custom decals made. He's the one that made the Ragnarok's garage decal that I just put on the back of the car. Jesus. So, here is the official PetrolWitch decals. These will be going on sale probably after the first of the year. I might do some more designs, maybe some changes. I don't know yet, but these are the OGs. I am going to obviously be running one of these on the Z and the 3000 GT. So that is it in gold. This is it in black. And finally, another version in white. Now these do come in a few other colors. I'm not 100% sure all the colors Jesse can do, but it's pretty much all of them. As far as I know anyway. Alright, so let's get to what everyone's actually here for. The front mount intercooler from CX Racing. Now, in the Z community, CX Racing does not have the best fan following, let's say. I've heard a lot of things say that their front mount intercoolers are underrated. You're not going to get too much power out of it, but I'm not doing a huge power build on this Z. The Z is going to be my nice daily driving show car. I mean, not so much daily driving, but commonly drove or something. But anyway, I'm not going like huge boost numbers here. So this will work excellent for my application, considering I didn't have intercoolers on this car before. It is a 2+2 with the VG30D engine swap in it. So it's been running without intercoolers for, I guess, 60,000 miles. I got the car about a year ago. I've ran it probably like six months or so before I brought it into the garage for the overhaul. But let's get to this unboxing. I ramble, I am so sorry. So, it is definitely packed in here like a boss, that's for sure. Okay. Let's flip this down here. Hold on. Bend the box so it doesn't flip up and get in your way. Okay, so let's see what we got. All right, first up, we have rubber couplers to go on the intercooler pipes. So it comes with all the rubber couplers needed. These look like actually really good quality rubber. Yeah, that was beautiful. All right, so I did go with blue to match the valve covers. Wait, not the valve covers. The plenum and timing covers. My valve covers are orange. What the fuck am I talking about? All right, so these are cool. I'll set those there. Next up, we have piping. We have lots of pre-cut pipe for this. Let me actually unwrap one of these ones here, which is the blow-off valve connector. And we will show you what that looks like. Now, I'm not going to take it fully out because it's still going to be a little time before I put it on the car, but this is some good looking pipe, although this one is slightly bent here, probably from shipping or manufacturing, but I don't think that's going to cause too much of a problem. But good thing I did notice that. But no, that's not bad. I can fix that. That is not worth fussing over. Okay, next up we have a bracket and bolt just chilling. I'm pretty sure they came out of the bag with all the brackets and my mind went blank. You all know what these are. Clamps, hose clamps. All right, you would think I didn't have coffee today. Going back over here. Okay. Next up we have FedEx packing slip. Fuck that. These, I think, are my blow-off valves. These are indeed the blow-off valves. Pretty nice looking blow-off valve. It's no HKS, but you know, it will work. It is a SQV. let me compare it with my HKS really quick. Interesting. Okay. Weird. Sorry, I'm just frazzled. So yes, this is my blow-off valve. I will definitely be replacing these later. But in the short term, they will work because one of my HKS blow-off valves are similar to this. Blew off the stem. Like, yeah. That was intense. It's kind of what started this whole freaking rebuild of this car when it blew up its blow-off valve. Which I wasn't doing YouTube at the time, so unfortunately, you all don't get to see that. It wasn't very spectacular. It was just like, yeah, anyway. Next up, the actual front mount intercooler itself. Oh, and those brackets too. But those are just staying in there. May or may not need those, I don't know. And yes, I am unwrapping this on the front of my car. Because I didn't have any other room currently to do this. Alright. Oh, you guys. Oh, yeah. Look at that. Look at it. Okay. I'm going to set this down here for a moment. So I'm going to get this closed back up so I can show you all a better view. Oh, come on. Boxes, my nemesis. Alrighty, let's get this bad boy out. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. There you guys go. The CX Racing front mount intercooler. Wow, you guys, it's pretty good. It's pretty good. The welds all look pretty good. It's got some decent fin design. Now this intercooler is a air setup. It is not one of the ones that have water flowing through it, so it's relying entirely off the airflow coming into the car to cool the air going into the engine. Soon, this is gonna go on. Give me a few more weeks to get some of this other odds and ends tied up, and we will be having an amazing video of putting this on. Might be a little swearing involved, because there always is. But, oh my gosh, like, I almost want to hug it. It's so cute. Okay. So, that's where I'm at with the 300ZX. Again, I've been a little slow getting videos out the past few weeks. It's been really hectic. COVID's hit pretty close to home. So that's kind of, it's taken its toll. My little sister contracted COVID. She's doing okay. You know, she's gonna pull through, everything's fine, but it's still really scary, you guys. You know, mask up when you go out, be safe. I mean, she did all that. She wears gloves, she masked up, and she still caught the COVID. So just be careful, everyone out there. Keep enjoying your cars, and I will see you again next week.